Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today let's learn English while cooking. So right now I'm in my kitchen, you can see here. So I will show you everything, okay, and how you can talk in English with yourself when while cooking. Okay, so you can see here here I have lit the fire in the hearth. So this is called hearth, चूल्हा. गांव में जो मैक्सिमम चूल्हे के ऊपर रोटी बनाते हैं, तो दिस इज हार्थ चूल्हा. So I have lit the fire. Okay, so this is pot. So I have put pot on the hearth. Okay, and so let the fire burning. So I want that ember. Okay, so I will put my chapati. I will put the chapati on the ember to bake. Okay, that's why I have lit the fire before kneading the flour. Okay, so you can see here all these. This is called spatula, ladle. Okay, skimmer. Okay, and spoon. Yes, this is skimmer, spoon. Okay, and now my first work, actually first I have to rinse my hand. Okay, then I'm going to knead the flour. Okay, so first, this is broom in my hand. This is called broom. So sweeping I'm sweeping the floor with broom. Okay, so before kneading the flour, I'm sweeping the floor with broom. So this process is called sweep. Okay, so you can also speak when you every morning when you sweep the floor. So I have put that broom on its place. Now it's time to knead the floor. So I will show you step by step. So let me first let me rinse my hand. So I have rinsed my hand and I am wiping. So that is process is wipe. So I'm wiping my hand from the towel. Okay, so I'm turning on my aquaguard tab. Okay, filter tab. So that pot is filling with water. So I have let it fill half. So now I am taking out the bladder. So that is bladder. Okay, so I will knead the flour in this bladder. This is flour. I have put it on the small pot. Now I will measure the flour. Okay, all right. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is milk flour. Okay, that is milk flour. So I'm going to mix milk flour and wheat flour. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is called sieve and this process is called shifting. I'm shifting the flour. Okay, so I have counted flour for 8 chapati. Now 1, 2, and 1, 2. So I'm shifting it. So this process is called shift, not shit. No, shift. SIF. Shift. So that is left over. You can see here that is left over. So I'm going to put it in the hearth. Okay. Now this is sieve. I'm going to put it. You can say I'm going to keep it away. Okay. Now this is first process. So the first process. What is the first process? You can see here. This is water. So I'm pouring water into the flour. Okay, and mixing. Okay, I'm mixing it. So slowly I'm mixing it. So again I'm putting, you can see, pouring water again into the flour and mixing it. So I have to pour water till that flour, you can see flour will totally wet. You can say tight like this. Okay. So today I have to make chapati because in our village there is a communist feast. Okay. So communist feast means you can see dawat. Okay. So all my family member, they have gone to have the feast, to have dinner there. And actually I don't like rice, so that's why I'm making chapati for me and for my dad. So now you can see here it has become tight. Okay, now I have to knead it. This process is called knead. So I'm kneading it. Do you like this process? If you like, then please comment me. But maximum boy actually do not like to knead the flour. It's a little bit tricky and hard. So they think that boy think it's boring work. So that's why they actually like to eat rice. But I do not like rice. Sometimes I like rice, but I like millet roti, mixed flour roti. No? So millet roti, millet chapati is very healthy for our body. So many nutritions can get from that millet roti. So that's why I like millet roti. It take 5 minutes. When it will soft, then I will leave to knead. Because actually when it's soft, then chapati will puff properly on the ember. So you can see here. So it has become soft. No? Now it's ready. That flour, that kneaded flour is ready to bake chapati. So this is called rag. When we clean our countertop, So this is called countertop, this one. So when you clean countertop from that cloth, small cloth, so this cloth is called rag. So here you can see here my hearth. Okay, ember has been collected. Now I can bake chapati easily on the ember and also on the fire. So let me put it back. Then I will put griddle, that is called griddle, on the hearth. So now I'm making chapati. This is this is called rolling board, rolling pin, and this process is called flipping chapati. And like this, I'm putting on the griddle. So now, so you can see here on the ember, I'm baking chapati. So it's going to be puff. You can see it's puff chapati. So now see you later next video.